In a tranquil suburban setting, a 2026 Lexus LX600 stands as a testament to sophisticated design. The SUV's sleek lines and captivating new metallic blue finish are unveiled through a seamless camera motion. Within the Lexus LX600, luxurious interior elements and high-tech displays create an atmosphere of refined sophistication. The advanced dual-screen setup, featuring a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14-inch infotainment touchscreen, offers a seamless blend of technology and elegance. A gentle touch caresses the premium materials, accentuating the vehicle's meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail. The Lexus LX600 gracefully dances along the serpentine mountain road, a symphony of power and precision. With powerful performance emblazoned across the screen, the SUV becomes a testament to strength and agility. Defying limits, it effortlessly dominates rugged terrains, proving its mettle beyond the paved path.